Happy Friday, everybody. I wanted to create a video to show you guys how to do this assignment titled City Drawing. You guys are going to be thinking of what you would, how you would design a perfect city and draw a perfect city and what it should look like. I do want you to include your positive list from yesterday, your positive things that you would like in your perfect city, and then keep in mind those negatives to not include those as well. We are going to be doing this in the Paint app on your computer if you have the Paint app, or you can go to Paint Online, which is a little outdated, but it will work. So if you do have the Paint app, all you need to do is go to your search bar and type in Paint. And I've got a couple Paint apps here. I could do Paint.net or I can do Paint 3D. I'm just going to do Paint.net since I'm pretty familiar with that. So here's your screen, and all you're going to do is using the paint, paintbrush, the pencil, the fill paint bucket, what have you, you're going to design your perfect city. So if you put on your list yesterday that you, in your perfect city, there would be a skate park, then down here, maybe you want to draw a half pipe. And then here's my skateboarder. And there he is having fun. And then you would complete drawing what your perfect city would look like. So this should take you some time. Um, so that's how you do this assignment. You can title your perfect city whatever you want. I'm just gonna title mine the Tiger Kingdom. And they do have text on here if you want to make it go a little bit faster. I just um, wasn't thinking. Think about your food, think about your housing, think about water access, transportation, communication, recreation, safety, power, etc. Make sure you're thinking about those as you create your perfect city. So take your time on this. This is how you do it if you have paint on your computer. Now, if you don't have paint on your computer, what you can do is go to jspaint.app. It's going to bring you to an online program, so you can do it on there. Now, both times, either if you do it on your computer using the application or if you do it online, you do have to save a picture, so you're going to have to hit Save As. I have to actually draw something. So Save As, and it will save it down here at the bottom. You just open it up and there's your paint drawing. And what you need to do is I would title it something, or if you can't title it, then you're just going to have to find it. It'll probably be in your downloads. And then what I want you to do is to go back to your assignment that you created. So you should have one by now under your homework page. You should have titled it City Drawing. And then you got to find your picture. So go to Picture, from File, choose File, and I need to find where I put mine. I think it's under the downloads. Yep, here it is. So usually they save right to your download folder. So make sure you find where your downloads are. Click that, and then you got to find your picture. And for my computer, I wasn't able to actually title my picture. It just gave it a default untitled file name. So here's mine, and I saved it twice, so it has this one behind it. So you double click on it, insert, and voila, there's your picture.